Well, we know wedding season is upon us, so you might be looking for that perfect present for somebody in your life that's getting married. And I'm with Dave Porter at Firework Glass Studios, and we have some amazing presents for the brides and grooms in our lives.
Yes, we do. We have something called a frit ceremony, and frit is small chunks of colored glass. And a couple years ago, one of our clients came into us and said, is there some way that we could do a modified sand ceremony? And we thought about it and said, well, yes, we can give you some of this frit in separate bags. The groom can choose one color, the bride chooses another color, or a couple colors if they have favorites. And at their ceremony, they can mix them together and do whatever they want in the ceremony. Then afterwards, they bring those colored chunks of glass back to us. We incorporate them into a vase or a bowl or an ornament, if you'd like. Here's a very good example, and this is just two colors.
Pink and yellow, and it's perfect because it could be their wedding colors.
Absolutely. So this vase is very similar to one we did the other day for a couple that had chosen colors very similar to this. So they took the colors with them to their wedding ceremony and mixed them together, brought them back, and we created a vase very similar to this for them. That's a lasting heirloom that they can keep for the family for as long as.
Yes, anniversary flowers. I'm thinking of all kinds of ideas that you could use this vase for.
Exactly.
And if people don't know what frit is.
Frit.
I know what it is because I've been here before, but
Right.
if people don't know, what is it?
It's actually colored glass that has been sorted out so that it's all very similar in size. And there's different grades. There's a grade 1 frit, a grade 2. We generally use a little bit larger so we get some bold, striking colors in the piece. And those pieces of glass we buy commercially. The couple comes in, we discuss what their wedding colors are, what their favorite colors are, and we can incorporate up to 4 or 5 colors at the most into their piece. And then we can create multiple pieces actually. If they wanted something for their groomsmen or their bridesmaids, maybe an ornament like this, a Christmas ornament. This one happens to be green and white. If anyone happens to be a Spartan fan or a Williamson Hornet, that works perfectly for them. But that makes a very inexpensive gift for the couple to give to their grooms folks, and that works very well for them.
Yeah, that's perfect for your bridal party, to be able to have like a little keepsake of you combined it at the wedding and now you have a little keepsake
Yes.
to remember that day forever.
Yes. And here's an example of a smaller vase that again would be suitable for giving to the bridesmaids or as a remembrance in the colors of the wedding.
Perfect. And I know you mentioned that this would be perfect for like an MSU grad or something, and graduation season's also upon us. So what do you have for those grads in our lives?
We have, again, vases made in the school colors. Perfect example here is the green and white ornament. And that would be very suitable, but we can do a blue and gold as well. So that would apply very well for a graduate.
All right, perfect gift ideas for that bride or groom in our life or the graduate in our life.
Right.
All right, Dave Porter, thank you so much for your time today and those gift ideas.
Thank you.
And stick around, there is more to come on Studio 10 after the break.